Okay, so this is how we left off. In this section, we're going to be writing some JavaScript. Let's start the script tag. Like the CSS, I'm going to be doing this internally, and then in a later video, I'll be making a JavaScript folder and JavaScript files. But for this section, what we're going to be doing is setting the date here automatically. So all these values here, we're going to be setting them automatically. So first, I want to start off with a data variable. Just call it data. I'm going to be storing a bunch of information that's vital to the app inside here, such as the current theme, such as the current day, and things like that. Okay, so for now, I'm not going to put too much in here, just the current day. And it's going to be an object, and also calendar, which will also be an object. Okay, so current day will be, I'll have a day here. You don't have to set it. It's just going to be set automatically with JavaScript. So you can put anything you want in there. And it's like I said, it's just going to be overwritten with JavaScript. So just leave it like that or do whatever you want with it. It doesn't matter. So date, month, and year. And for the calendar, you only need a month and a year. Because a calendar shows it. The calendar is just this information. So the year, that would be right here, and the month. That's all that really you need to update for a calendar. But for over here, you're gonna need a year, the weekday. So is it Saturday? Is it Sunday? What day is it? The month, and then the day of the month. Okay, so let me clean this up a little bit. Okay. So, I don't know if I said this already, but this section is probably going to be pretty short because there's not really that much to go on with setting this up, although there might be more than you'll think because of the way that JavaScript handles dates. Anyways, you'll see that in a little while. So update current dates, and let's make a const. Call it today. So that's a constant variable. I guess it's not a variable, right, if it's constant, but whatever. So then you could use this today variable to get information about what today is. So let's say let date equal today dot get date. Let day equal to today. Okay, so we got all these pieces of information here, these let variables. Okay, so let's do something. Let's console.log the, let's say month, and we're gonna have to call this. Okay, so you can see it says 11, which is not really that big of an issue because when we store it in the current day over here, we will be storing it as 11. But when you put it right here, you want to take that 11 and translate it to a month, like a month name. And it's going to be the same thing with the weekday as well. It's going to give you a number from 0 through 6. Like if you look here, the day, it should say 0 or 1, 6. Oh, it's not really Monday today. It's Friday. Okay, so that makes sense. I was a bit confused there. I was expecting it to be Monday, but of course it's not Monday today. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so let's do a couple more things here. Let's go to data dot current date. This should be date. Then dot day is equal to day, then data dot current date is equal to date, data dot current date dot year is equal to year, and the data dot current date dot month is equal to month. Okay, so let's make sure that this doesn't cause any errors. Okay, it's looking pretty good. Okay, then also what we could do is you could set the calendar dot month to equal the month. Where is it? Because when the app starts, the current month that's going to be shown is just the first one, or whichever month it is, rather, not the first month, but whichever month that it currently is. So year is equal to year. The difference is these aren't gonna ever be changed unless the actual day changes. These are going to be able to be edited by when the user clicks on here or presses arrow keys. Okay, so that's going to be it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.